Sanwo-Olu finally reveals who ordered the Lekki toll gate massacre. The current governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, has finally said a senior Nigerian army officer ordered the shooting of EndSARS protesters at Lekki toll gate on Tuesday, 20th, 2020. Last recall that the Nigerian military had earlier stated that its men were not present at the incident that took place on the 20th of this month at Lagos toll gate during a peaceful protest by the Nigerian youth. The Nigerian military also claimed that the shootout video was photos hoped by Nigerian youths. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, speaking to CNN officials on Monday night, said footage available to him shows that the Nigerian army ordered the shooting at peaceful protesters on Tuesday, 20th of October, 2020. Sanwo-Olu also promised that after serious investigations, everyone found culpable of the act will be persecuted by the law agency. Babajide Sanwo-Olu said in a footage that we could see, it seems to be that men of the Nigerian army on uniform, which should be Nigerian soldiers, ordered the shootings. The military will be available for judicial panel to review the sinful act. They will certainly be held accountable for every life lost. We will do everything possible to make sure they are held accountable. When the investigation report is out, we channel it to all relevant authorities in the country to ensure that everyone found culpable is accountable for the barbaric act. Thank you for listening to this news. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, the governor of Lagos State. First and foremost, I appreciate your efforts so far concerning getting out the people behind this atrocious act. I appreciate anyway. I appreciate your efforts. But then you've not actually gotten one thing that the people really need. The people already know that the Nigerian soldiers, the soldiers, are the one that shot at the protesters. But there is one thing more that the people really want to know. Who ordered the soldiers? Who invited the soldiers? The soldiers cannot just leave the barracks to the toll gates. You don't understand? See, the President Muhammadu Buhari rolled out the soldiers by making them available. You accepted it, but someone need to instruct them to go somewhere and carry out an operation. Soldiers don't just leave the barracks. You understand? This is a protest. So they can't just leave the barracks. Someone ordered them. So they want to know, the people want to know which civilian ordered the military to go to the toll gates and massacre those youths. They want to know the civilian. Don't see that what you are just saying now is that a senior army officer who who instigated that senior army officer. Someone must have called a senior officer for his service. So the senior officer now ordered his soldiers to go out and carry out this assignment given to him by the military, by the civilian. So that is what they want to know. The people already know that the soldiers ordered that, did that, but they want to now know the civilian that ordered such an act. That is what they want. You understand? So you just do that for them. You just do that for them. And that is it. They are not demanding for too much. We cannot do anything without getting hold of the person that orders the military. The military cannot take decisions of that kind on their own. Someone must have instigated them to leave the barracks and come out and carry out that barbaric act. Okay? So review for the people the person that actually did that. That's what they want to know. That's what they want to review. Understand? Bola Ahmed Tinubu is denying. The son is denying. So who else now sent them? Who sent them? That is what the people want to know. That is what the people would like to hear. They want to know that. They want to know the people. So please do the people that favor. Give a helping hand to the people by making sure that these persons are revealed. That is it, chicken. The people are not asking for too much. They're not asking for too much. See, if you can do that, then Lagosians will appreciate you and they will forgive you for that sin of yours. Because yes, we are seeing your efforts, but that has not been completely carried out. Complete your investigation by fishing out the civilian man that ordered the shootout. That is just it, Stephanie. Alright? That's just it. So, my viewers, there is not much to say about this again. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, though, have been making efforts to get the person behind this sinful act, but then he has made the effort, but he has not really given us the real picture of what we want. You understand? So please, my viewers, with all that I've just been said, deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.